Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually make email marketing and how to use that. So first of all, we can talk about mail marketing, but I will let something else give you a good introduction about this subject. So let's go ahead and open my browser and let's go to a new page, and I will open this AI which called ChatGPT. I will use this AI to explain to you everything about mail marketing. So let's go ahead and type to him, hi, what is mail marketing? Let's wait until it finishes, and this is it, my question, and now it will start helping me. So email marketing refers to the practice of sending promotional messages or advertisements to a group of people with email. These messages may be sent to a purchase list or to a list of individuals who have opted in to receive such communications. The goal of mail marketing is usually to drive sales, generate leads. The messages can be sent regularly or as part of a targeted campaign. Email marketing is an effective way to reach a large audience and can be used for a variety of purposes, such as promoting products or services, building brand awareness, or keeping customers engaged with the company. So how we can start making this email marketing? So how we can, or which app do we use to do that? So there's actually multiple apps. One of them is basically the one that we did before, which is MailChimp. That helps a lot doing that. As you can see, it gave me this MailChimp idea as well. There is Constant Contact. There is multiple ways to do it, and they give like multiple free trial thing that you can try and see if your business will work with that. If it worked, you can even pay premium to go even far with your product. And so yeah guys, that's how we can actually make marketing email using like simple tools like MailChimp, Constant Contact, and etc. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.